Hey faculty! Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, we're diving into D2L quizzes and assignments to show you how to edit and override time limits for quizzes. Whether you're a professor looking to accommodate students or just need to tweak some settings, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First things first, let's navigate to your D2L course. Once you're in your course, find the Quizzes section. Next, click on that little chevron menu next to the quiz you want to edit. Now, click Edit. We're in the quiz settings. Let's head over to Availability Dates and Conditions by clicking on it to open up the settings. Now, click Manage Special Access. This is where you can add or edit accommodations for your students. If you haven't set up accommodations yet, click Add Users to Special Access. If you have, you can click on the pencil icon to edit your student's setting. Now, if we are setting up a new student, check the box next to the student who needs accommodation. You can also edit their settings and accommodations right here. If you have already set up your quiz's availability and due dates, D2L will automatically have these areas filled out for you. Now, click the Override Time Limit field. This is where you can add the extra time. Let's understand what some of these settings are. New time limit is the duration of the quiz you have set. By default, D2L should have preloaded this information as well. Multiplier designated how much time more the new time limit should be. Extra time is additional time, past the original time, and multiplier. Add the accommodation time setting in the multiplier field. If necessary, you can use extra time instead. Select Override Behavior if you'd like to restrict certain setting after the time limit has been reached. If necessary, add any additional attempts on the quiz by selecting Override Attempts Allowed. Use the drop-down to select how many attempts this student will have for the assessment. Click Save. Here you can see the special access settings for you student that needs accommodation. If you need to revisit and edit settings for this student, click the pencil icon to edit. Click Save and Close. Here you can see how many students now have special access to your quiz. And one more time, Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully edited and overridden the time limit for a quiz on D2L. Easy, right? Now, let's dive into adding extra time to assignments for students who have specific accommodations. First things first, let's navigate to your D2L course assignments. Start by clicking on Activities in the course navigation bar, and then select Assignments. Next, find the assignment you want to edit. Click on the chevron menu next to the assignment title and select Edit Folder. This will open the assignment settings. Now, click on Availability Dates and Conditions to open the settings. Scroll down and click on Manage Special Access. If you haven't set up accommodations yet, click Add Users to Special Access. Select the checkbox next to the student who needs accommodations and click Save. You've just added them to Special Access. To customize the Special Access settings, click the Edit icon next to the student's name. This will allow you to set specific conditions for their access. In the Special Access settings, click the Has End Date field and select the student's extension date. This ensures they have the extra time they need. Once you've set the extension date, click Save. Then, click Save and Close twice to finalize the changes. And just like that, you've granted special access. And there you have it. Granting special access in D2L is a breeze. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the CTLE. See you next time.
Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.